This is Cruz. Cruz didn't want to take a bath tonight, so Mom said he could get out taking a bath if he would vacuum. And he thought it was an equitable bargain. Oh, you're a little caught up there, bud. You gotta go back the other way. You're caught up. You gotta go back the other way. Should we move the cord?
Yeah, let's move the cord.
All right.
I'll plug it out.
Yeah, unplug it.
Yes, we can move.
Okay, that's the way to. Gonna plug it over somewhere else. Okay, Cruz. Yeah. You should take the cord and take it out from around there. You see that's around there? There you go. Oops. There you go.
I wanna.
What you gonna do? Oh, you're gonna pull the cord, huh?
So I can go.
There you go. Good job. This is what a 3-year-old, I guess 3-year-old, 9-month hard worker looks like.
What are you talking to?
I'm just talking for the video, so the video can hear.
Can I see?
Well, when he gets done. When he gets done. You finish vacuuming, and then I'll show you. All right, good job, buddy.
Can I see?
Yeah.